This is the F-Type Female 2 RCA Female Adapter. This nickel-plated coaxial adapter has an F-Type female connector opposite an RCA female connector, making this adapter the perfect way to quickly change the gender or connector type of an already terminated cable. F connectors are most suitable for domestic terrestrial, cable, and satellite installations, where the delivery of high-frequency information is required, while the RCA connectors and cable are commonly used to carry PDIF formatted digital audio. Your audio-video problems will be a thing of the past with the F-Type Female 2 RCA Female Adapter. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.